Good morning, dear students. Hope you might have gone through the previous classes work. Now we will be seeing about the remainder theorem. This could be a easy method of division compared to the long division method. So watch very carefully and watch fully.
So the next one we will be seeing on the remainder theorem, and this will be a first problem on that. Determine the remainder when the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3 into x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. Again I repeat, determine the remainder when the polynomial p of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3 into x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1. So let's solve this one. So we take, generally we have to divide this by means of long division method. So by remainder theorem we are just substituting the value of x. So here x is equal to nothing but 1. Actually x minus 1, it will be a divisor which we have to divide this whole polynomial inside, and you will get an answer. It will be a long process. So we are going by a remainder theorem method. So p of 1 is equal to 1 to the power 4 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1. So you get 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So when you minus this one, 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, so you will get an answer 1. So the remainder of p of 1 is equal to 1. Remainder of p of 1 is equal to 1. So we will see the second problem. Find the remainder when p of x is equal to x to the power cube minus a into x to the power square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So the polynomial is divided by x minus a. So again repeat, find the remainder when p of x is equal to x to the power cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So we are going to solve this problem. So here we want to find out the remainder of this particular polynomial. So x is equal, here it's not a number, it's a letter a. So x is equal to a, we are going to substitute a here. P of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6a minus a. So a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. So this 2 will get cancelled and you will get an answer 5a. So the remainder of p of a is nothing but it is 5a. So we will say the third problem. In each of the following, use the remainder theorem. Find the remainder when f of x is divided by g of x. f of x is equal to x to the power cube plus 4x square minus 3x plus 10. G of x is equal to x plus 4. So the question comes with remainder theorem. In each of the following, use the remainder theorem. Find the remainder when p of x is divided by g of x. So f of x is equal to x to the power cube plus 4 into x to the power 2 minus 3 into x plus 10. G of x is equal to x plus 4. So we will solve this one. You have to divide f of x by g of x. That is, f of x should be divided by g of x. You have two methods in this. One is you can divide it by long division method, and another one is remainder theorem which we are studying now. So this could be quite easier. So g of x, we have a value for x is equal to 4. This is g of x is equal to x is equal to 4. This value 4 we will be substituting in the polynomial f of x. So f of 4 is equal to 4 cube plus 4. So you can see here it is given as plus 4, so you will be having here minus, so minus 4 the whole square into 4 minus 3 into minus 4 plus 10. So this will give a result 64 minus 64 here, because it's minus 16 into 4, again you get 64 plus 12, 3 into 4, 2 minus, it becomes plus 12, then 10. Totally this 2 will be cancelled, 12 plus 10, it is 22. So in the remainder theorem for f of x divided by g of x, you get an answer 22. This will be the remainder. So again we will see the another second part in that. F of x is equal to x to the power 4 minus 3x square plus 4, which is being divided by g of x is equal to x minus 2. So you have to put the value, we will solve this one. You will have to put the value, you have to divide f of x divided by g of x. So here are two methods, we will be solving this one by remainder theorem. So g of x will be, x will become x, it is 2, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. Now we are going to divide this one. So substituting the value of x is equal to 2 in f of x, so you get f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 2 to the power 2 plus 4. To the power 4 it is 16 minus, so 4 into 3 it becomes 12 plus 4. When you reduce this, you get the answer 8. So the remainder theorem, by remainder theorem we get an answer 8. F of x by g of x is equal to 8.
Okay, dear students, hope you might have understood the basic till now. If you had seen fully, put it in practice by writing in a piece of paper and solve it by yourself. We'll be updating it frequently and we'll be updating it steadily, slowly. So subscribe and share and click on the bell nearby so that it will intimate you immediately when we update it. Thank you for watching and thank you.